to my channel Priyanka Chandra. Andru ela unnaru, andru bagunnaru anukuntunnanu. So guys, finally the wait is over. So it is a big day for all RRR fans, guys. As the trailer has been released by the makers, they had told it's going to be releasing at 4 o'clock. But in the theaters, they'll be releasing at 10 or 11. So finally they have released it now on the YouTube. So I'm so excited to watch this with you guys. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and check out the trailer, guys.
వారు మా ఆదిలాబాద్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఓ చిన్నపిల్లని తీసుకొచ్చారు. మీరు తీసుకొచ్చింది గోండ్ల పిల్లనండి.
అయితే వాళ్ళకి ఏమైనా రెండు కొమ్ములు ఉంటాయా?
ఒక కాపరు ఉంటాడు.
Yes, there is a protector. Oh my god. Look at his beast body, guys.
పులిని పట్టుకోవాలంటే వేటగాడు కావాలి. ఆ పని చేయగలిగేది ఒక్కడే సార్.
Oh my god. Ram. Oh my god. Superb. Wow. Look at the bond of friendship it been shown, guys.
సోపతి నా సొంతం అన్న గర్వంతో ఈ మన్నలో కలిసిపోతేనే.
Alia.
నన్ను డైటిసి పోకన్నా అమ్మాయి ఆదికొస్తుందన్నా.
బ్రిటిష్ ప్రభుత్వానికి ఎదురు తిరిగిన నేరానికి నేను అరెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. తొంగి నక్కి కాదే, తొక్కుకుంటూ పోవాలి. ఎదురొచ్చినోడిని ఏసుకుంటూ పోవాలి.
అజయ్ సార్,
చాలా ప్రమాదం, ప్రాణాలు పోతాయిరా. ఆనందంగా ఇచ్చేస్తాను బాబాయ్.
యుద్ధాన్ని వెతుక్కుంటూ ఆయుధాలు వాటంతటవే వస్తాయి.
Amazing. What's happening?
ఈ నక్కల వేట ఎంతసేపు? కుంభస్థలాన్ని బద్దల కొడదాం పదా.
Wow.
Brace yourself.
Oh my god, what was this, guys? Oh my god, I don't have words to tell about this trailer. After waiting so long, I'm seeing this beautiful trailer, guys. I'm so happy. I mean, ఏంటిది నేను ఎక్స్పెక్టే చేయలేదు. ఇంత బాగా, ఇంత రిచ్. Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. Hats off to Rajmouli gar sir. Seriously sir, your vision, your way of thinking and showing the cinema to the film is outstanding. There's no doubt in that. So guys, talking about RRR, guys, this is a film which is set on an independence era. It is a fictional story, guys, of two warriors. It has been inspired by the two Telugu warriors named Alluri Sitaramaraju and Komaram Bhim, which is played by Ram Charan and of course Tarak, that is Junior NTR, who fights against the British and the Nizam of Hyderabad. Talking about their chemistry, guys, the friendship between the two actors is shown so beautifully on the trailer and it is jaw-dropping and the furious look of the both is outstanding. It will definitely win the audience heart. And talking about their individual performance, that is Ram Charan, guys, he looks amazing in his character. From archery to horse riding, the effort that he's put can be seen on the screen. and it is commendable, guys. And talking about Tarak, that is Junior NTR, guys, we have to appreciate for his physical transformation, which is high catching, and he's truly marvelous in RRR. Everything in this movie is top notch, guys, from visual to background score, songs, the cinematography, the dialogues delivery, everything is outstanding, guys, and it's already winning the heart of many people. I think Rajamouli sir has left no stones to unturned to make RRR an international film in terms of scale and scope, guys. Overall, guys, RRR is a pan-India movie that is painted on a large-scale canvas. This period drama is on high expectations, and I'm sure it has already won many hearts, and people are just going crazy after the trailer has been released. I think before the trailer also there were a lot of fans who were eagerly waiting, and I am also one among them, guys. I'm super duper happy. I just love the trailer. I'm looking forward for this movie, guys. So brace yourself, guys, to watch this beautiful masterpiece in nearby theaters, you in your own different languages. So on that note, I'm going to end this video over here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notification of all my new videos. And thank you, Andy, for all your love and support. Please do continue loving my channel and shower more love on this channel. See you with another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.